Hello. Welcome to the Sage 50 Cloud Pastel how-to video. In this video we will demonstrate how to install Debtors Manager for Sage 50 Cloud Pastel. Debtors Manager can be downloaded from the pastellupdate.sagesouthafrica.co.za. It can be found under the Modules and Additional Applications tab. Debtors Manager users have an option to install a Microsoft Access version of Debtors Manager or a Microsoft SQL version of Debtors Manager. In this video we will cover the Microsoft Access installation. Once the download is complete, double-click on the installation to run it. You will be presented by the welcome screen. Click Next to proceed. Accept the terms and click on Next. Select Microsoft Access and click on Next and Install. Allow the installation to run for a few minutes and click on Finish when it's complete. Debtors Manager can be launched from within Pastel using the highlighted toolbar item. A desktop shortcut will also be available as well. For more info on the use of Pastel, visit our digital self-help platforms. Thank you for watching.